On today's body cam, we're checking out cops corner shoplifter hiding steaks in her purse.
So she already concealed steaks. So how you want to catch her on the way out?
Okay. Where's the bag?
Can I look to see what's in your bag there? Because
I'm still shopping.
do you have anything in your bag that belongs to the store?
No,
You mind if I take a look?
I do not.
We have camera footage of you storing stuff in your bag, so we're not asking.
But this is my shopping bag.
That's not a Target shopping bag.
This is my bag that I shop.
That's not how that works, man.
Perfect. Hey, look. So she already concealed steaks. So how you want to catch her on the way out?
Okay. Where's the bag?
She is a black female. She's wearing
Gray,
like a
black.
gray top and blue jeans. She's right there walking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But apparently she's banned from here too, so
Oh, awesome.
criminal trespass and whatever.
On February 14th, 2024, officers in Florida responded to a Target store on a report of retail theft. What makes this case unusual is that before she picked up a single item, she had already committed a crime. Months earlier, she had been formally trespassed from this store, a ban documented under Florida Statute 8 to 10.08. Under that statute, re-entry after a lawful warning is itself a second-degree misdemeanor, complete the moment she crossed the threshold. This means the officers had a lawful basis to arrest her for trespass before any theft even began.
I'm not a shoplifter.
Do you know when she was banned?
That's all I'm about to go look up, but I mean, she already said she concealed the steaks
Yeah,
in
she's
her purse.
already gone.
She was banned on July 14th.
Okay.
Yeah, so once she passes that final point, so I mean, technically shoplifting now, but catch her on the way out. What's the front right there?
Yeah, she's probably gonna go out the entrance if I have it here.
Georgia Tech, Romeo, Victor, Romeo, 3023.
Ma'am. Hey, how you doing? Ma'am. Hi, what's your name? What is it?
Summer.
Summer. Can I look to see what's in your bag there?
I want to see if hold on. Because as they were walking up, I wonder did she stop? Was she already walking out and then she stopped? Hold on. I gotta put this on the big screen. Hold on. What I'm looking for here is I want to see if she was walking out and then she seen the cops and then pretended to like look at something on the shelf there. That's really what I'm looking for.
Ma'am.
Oh, yup. She peeked out. That's her in the middle. She peeked out, looked, and now she's pretending to, yup. Look, she's right under the guest services.
Victor, Romeo, 3023.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
She tried to get slick. Not gonna work.
Hey, how you doing? Ma'am. Hi, what's your name? What is it?
Summer.
Summer. Can I look to see what's in your bag there? Because
I'm still shopping.
5-1, I'll be just about.
are you still shopping?
Yes.
Do you have anything in your bag that belongs to the store?
No,
You mind if I take a look?
I do not.
Okay.
I'm still shopping.
I mean, we have camera footage of you storing stuff in your bag, so we're not asking.
But this is my shopping bag.
That's not a Target shopping bag.
This is my bag that I shop.
That's not how that works, man. You've already been banned from here as well, so you're trespassing at this point. Already trespassing and you're shoplifting.
I'm not.
We just saw you on the camera, man.
So go ahead and show us what's in the bag.
She homeless?
I know times are tough, but we can't be doing this.
Because at this point, I have enough to put you in handcuffs and arrest you. Okay? You've been banned from the store already. All right?
Got my baby in the car.
I understand, but so I can put you in handcuffs now and get what's in your bag, or you can show me what's in your bag.
How old is your kid?
Do me a favor, turn around.
You said 20?
The theft
Wait, wait, what? How old is your kid? Did she say 20?
How old is your kid?
Do me a favor, turn around. Back.
The theft charge stacks on top under Florida Statute 812.014 governing petite theft. That statute grades theft by dollar value, and the threshold here matters more than viewers might expect. Theft of property valued below $100 is petite theft of the second degree, the lower misdemeanor. At $100, it becomes first-degree petite theft, punishable by up to 1 year in jail. The itemized total in this case came to $103.73. $3.73 separated a lesser misdemeanor from a charge carrying real jail exposure.
You're cooked. Unbelievable. See, you can't get away with these things at Target, man. Target gonna get you together. Like, I don't understand why people pick the big stores to shoplift at. I mean, you shouldn't do it regardless, but if you are going to do it, it's much easier for you to hit a mom and pop, maybe corner store or something like that they don't have their security on point for real, versus you hitting Walmart, Target. You may get away with it once or twice, but eventually you're gonna get caught, man, because that's their job, to watch you. These lower level stores, they don't really have the manpower to do it, man. Target, they're on point.
45 Charlie Brown. We have one black male at 75.
They got a whole lady crew in there too. Girl power. Oh, she pregnant?
You have a deal in the bag? You have a demonstration?
Assuming this is something to most likely,
Ribeyes.
Ma'am, do you have any family members that can pick up your child?
My child not out there.
Okay.
Damn, them joints is barely marbled. I mean, well, one of them is. Them other ones to the left, them steaks ain't worth a damn.
So 232.39.
You said your kid's in the car?
No, she's blind.
Oh, was it?
Looks like they're all coming up as 1689, but on the stakes they're different prices. So I wonder if they ring up differently at the register. So the total is 103.73. Do you guys want me to do a shoplifting report?
I mean, we got it in the act, so it doesn't matter.
I don't have to do one. Just total. Do you need a band form?
No, she's already.
Oh, she's already banned. Yeah, I forgot.
What's your name?
Gabriella.
All right, man. Here we go. See what's in my car. Just also search you, pat you down, and I'll go on.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
The walk of shame. You come back to the same target that you banned from. You couldn't even pick a different store.
You have a car? Put this in.
Around there.
All right, I'll take your car keys whenever I'm done searching.
Here, she's gonna search you. Anything on there? You're not supposed to have.
Open your feet for me, man. Car keys, ma'am, where are they?
And you got the car.
Okay, what kind of car is it?
It's a Pontiac. It's right on the side of the building, silver Pontiac.
Gotcha.
Appreciate you.
Yep, yep.
Built on or
What? She got more food?
$45 to $41. Does she want her keys or leave them in the car?
ma'am, do you want your keys?
No.
You just leave them in the car?
Yeah, no one can start it anyway.
10-4. She
No
said
one
leave them in
can
the car.
start it anyway.
Copy.
The responding officers earn a grade of B+ for restrained, verbal-only enforcement supported by clean, independent, probable.
All right. What'd she get?
Trespass ban converts an ordinary shopping trip into an arrestable offense the instant the banned person enters. Already exists from other sources. The correct legal move on contact is silence.
All right. Anyways, yeah. All right, we're gonna end that, man. Damn. Yeah. So yeah, she was just arrested for trespassing. That's it, man. But I don't understand it. Like, you already got caught out there at Target. You go back to the same Target and think you're not going to get caught. Like, these people are. I feel like these people are brain dead, man.